Yes. Well, today we are changing brakes on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. We are changing the brake pads. It's the rear pads actually. Yeah. So I'm gonna put on some new ones today. What we get? We got these ones from Mars Auto Sale Auto, and it's Auto Extra. Doing the other one. All right. Let's take this out. Let's take this out. Let me settle this one. Okay. I hope you can see this. Alright, so what are you gonna do? We're gonna shove this here. Take this out like that. It's kind of difficult holding the phone and trying to record this, but anyway, let me take it out and I'll show you after. A little trick I learned is to squeeze the caliper on the right on there. Just bend this back a little bit, this clips. Like so. And we're gonna put the C-clamp right there. I'll show you, it's a little trick. It's a little trick, hold on. Get my gloves on. So now we're gonna get a grip behind the caliper right here, put the C-clamp right here, and we're gonna pull the piston back in while it's on there. Okay, let me show you in a minute. I can put this phone. Alright, let me get a grip on this. I'm gonna put, see, I got a grip on it right here and plus in the back here. Alright, I'll have to put the phone down so I can use my two hands. I'll show you this in a minute. We'll get the piston back in. So right now, I'm back in. And now I'm gonna take it out. Okay, see it's loose now. I got it in here. Alright, maybe I'll have to do a little again, but let's take it out and we'll see. You see, it's gonna be easy to come out. You just rock it out like that. Oh, it's a little rock. Oh. Even have a rock. So a little rock, but sometimes you just stick this big screwdriver behind there and you pull it out like that. There you go. As you can see, it's not all the way back in, so I'll have to push it back again. Let's see, these brakes are going that way. Oh man, look at this. Damn. It's a good thing I changed this. You see that? Shit. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna put some new ones and later on, yeah, put some new ones on again. Alright, let me put this here so you can see that. Hopefully you're gonna be able to see me. Alright, so you can see each other. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the new one in, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze the caliper a little more again. You see, it didn't go all the way in when I did it the first time. I'm gonna push it back a little bit. Now, get this on there. Get this down. Turn it all the way back in. sure it's in a good location. Okay, there we go. All the way down there. Okay, and we're going down. I hope you can see this. All the way down. Okay, all the way back up in there. It's gonna slip in. I'm gonna get it back up in there. Almost back up there. Ooh. Yeah. All right. So now we all the way back in, and we're gonna back this thing out. Gonna back this. Pull our brake pad off. It's all old. It's all worn up already. All right. So now we're gonna put our new ones on. First one in the back. You gotta make sure you squeeze those pins in. See those pins? They need to go and fit snug right in that hole right in the piston. Yeah. It's a little trouble to get it in, but when it goes in, it's really snug. Alright, you hear that? You heard that? You heard that snap? That's a piston. That's the one that's going on. Make sure we get that thing. Alright, so I'm gonna finish up and try to get this thing back up and running again. While you guys, and then we're gonna fit this one back in there like this, like so, in its place. Okay, I'm trying to get this back in there. Okay, as you can see, it's in there now. It's almost in there. I just need to tap it in or rock it in, and it'll be good to go. Screw it up and good to go. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. I'll say bye with this one now.